Welcome to our tutorial on how to convert Evernote ENEX files to DOC. First, you need to download and install the 4N6 ENEX Converter. You can find the download link in the description. After installation, launch the software on your system. This is the interface of the 4N6 ENEX Converter. Click on the Open option at the top left corner. Under Choose File, users can effortlessly select ENEX files for conversion. Alternatively, users can select the Choose Folder option, which proves advantageous especially when dealing with extensive data distributed across multiple folders. Let's proceed by selecting the Choose File option. Next, select the ENEX files you wish to convert and then click Open. In this panel, users can view their Evernote files in a user-friendly manner. On the left side, you'll find a list of the ENEX files you've recently selected. Proceed by clicking on the ENEX file. Upon selection, the notes list will appear on the right side. It shows there are 29 notes within a single ENEX file. Let's explore the contents of the notes by clicking on them. On the right side, you'll find information about the notes' content presented in a clear and accessible format. Furthermore, let's open another note for examination. Some notes might include attachments such as images, PDFs, audio, and video, which users can also inspect. Let's initiate the conversion procedure. Click on the Export option located at the top. The 4N6 ENEX Converter software is capable of converting ENEX files into 6 different formats, including PDF, DOC, DOCX, HTML, MD, and TXT. Let's select Doc for this tutorial. In the location settings, users can designate a path and select the destination folder by clicking on Browse and choosing the desired location. By enabling the Delete Old Folder feature, any previously exported files will be removed when converting to the same destination folder. Enabling the Open Folder After Export is Done option will automatically open the destination folder after conversion. In the Show Error Log option, any files that are corrupted or fail to convert during the conversion process will be displayed in list format. On the left side, users can individually select ENEX files for conversion or opt to convert all files. With all settings adjusted, it's time to initiate the conversion process. Simply click Save on the right side to start the conversion process. After the conversion process, navigate to the destination folder. If you've chosen the Open Folder After Export is Done option during the settings selection, you'll automatically be directed to the destination folder. Open the folder and check your converted files. And there you have it. That's how to convert Evernote ENEX files to doc using 4N6 ENEX Converter software. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. For more details, check the description.